The wait for the much-anticipated Song of Love is over as producer Karan Johar announced the release of the first romantic track, Kesariya, from Ayan Mukherjee's biggest adventure fantasy film, Brahmāstra, starring Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor. Taking to Twitter, Karan Johar wrote, "Our love is now yours, with all our hearts to all of yours." Alia Bhatt and Ayan Mukherjee also shared a short clip of the song on their respective Instagram handles, announcing the release. Sung by the Bollywood maestro Arjit Singh and composed by the legendary Pritam, Kesariya is a heart-touching work of love. The lyrics were written by Amitabh Bhattacharya. Kesariya marks the first musical journey of Brahmāstra, with more to come. Brahmāstra, the trilogy, is a 3-part film franchise and will have a pan-India release across 5 different languages: Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and Kannada. It also stars Amitabh Bachchan, Moni Roy and Nagarjuna Akkineni, among others, in pivotal roles. The upcoming film has been in limelight from the very day it was announced, and it took over 4 years to get the production work done. Now, after getting much delayed due to various reasons, the movie is ready to hit the theatres on September 9th in 2D and 3D.